rainfall. God, there's always rainfall. God damn it. Oh God, I see the orange. Guys, I need to roll. I need to help everyone. Okay, I will tell my friends. God, there's an orange rainfall. Okay, I will watch the orange. Fall. God damn it, there's an orange rainfall. God, there's a... Oh, show me. Show me, Mama. That, yeah. Guys, I need to upload the video. Look like, yeah. Oh my God, this... Wait, why the sky is orange? God, it's orange now. Mom! Guys, that's orange. God. I need to... Oh God. Wait. Don't. I'm happy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Good. Orange rainbow is real. Guys, I need to emergency. Tell your mom if there's a orange rainbow. I will tell my mom. My real name is Sean Andre. Do you know that's not... Mom! Mommy! Mom! May orange rainfall. Sabi, nakita ko yung warning. Di ako lying. Na-video ako. Oh. Why the sky is red? Oh.
Ay, hindi. Okay lang. Sky is red. Yung sky is red.
Mom! I told you there's an orange rainfall. Ooh. God. This tarantula. This is fine as red ducky. So I'm not happy at all. I'm sad. I'm gonna tell my mom. Wait. Somebody's there? God damn it. It's so hot. So hot. So hot. Oh, God damn it. It's so hot. Oh, God damn it. It's so hot. Wait, so hard. Oh, so hard. Okay, rainfall is gone. Guys, you need to tell your mom if there's a rainfall. Mom. Bibidyo ako kasi. Dun. Ah, sa labas. No, play siya. Okay, you need to warn your mom. So guys, I need to end the video. Okay, bye.